Well, they had a new update with. There's a new camera ball. Oh, right here. There's a camera ball. So this camera ball, I'll get right into it actually. So this ball, um, depending on like the view, like if it's this camera, it'll focus on the ball. Oh, balls! You really like balls, don't you? Balls, balls. Okay, I'm gonna go check out some of the new stuff. Let's see. Am I? Mistake, and I bought something while the camera was off. Well, it's its own copier, and I'm gonna go try it out. And okay, so I think I get this. I'm getting this. Goes so depending on where you want one on up there. I want to copy this $100. I think let's just say I want to copy this. I would grab this, I'm pretty sure. And then I would bring actually. So I think trying to figure out how this works. Okay. Well, what if I wanted you to? I said if you wanted to copy. I want to copy. So if I copy this, and I bring this over to here, what it? Oh. Well, let's just say here. Let me get my normal one. Okay. Paste this. Then I wanted, but then I wanted to. Oh, okay. So it doesn't matter if there's already a map loaded. It doesn't get rid of that map. That's basically what. You over here, so I can get rid of this. This is just a mini update. On the new map, I don't know where that is. I think it's in. Oh. Oh. This is the. Oh, right here. I'll probably show the Buckhorn statues if I can. I definitely won't go to somebody else's channel. Check in here. Oh, fine. There's one more thing I remember. I think. Oh yeah, there's a chainsaw. And then you got the chainsaw. Nobody's gonna. I'm just kidding. Everybody's gonna use it. But I did get to see this in a lobby on the way. My private. They said that you can't use it in wilds. They were complaining about that. And how it drains really fast content. That's the two things they were complaining about. That's all. I'm gonna go see if I can get a chainsaw. If I can't, it's fine.